speaking, maybe 5-10 minutes, I can speak to you in Hindi so that the message is conveyed to people in different parts of the country. I'd like to begin by thanking everyone for saying such kind words about the show that we did and about me, and I'd like to say that Satya, the director of the show, is here. Swati, who's a co-director and head of research, is here, and all three of us. I think maybe you should stand and just say hi to everyone. So all three of us indeed are very, very pleased to hear that, and we had no idea, that it was, I'm really thrilled at the kind of response the show has had. But what I'd like to say in that is that there's been a huge contribution in that from AA and from Dr. Ashish, because I think without their involvement, without their expertise, without the kind of inputs they gave us, we would have never been able to create the kind of show that we did. So I'd really like to thank AA and their active participation. I think that in this issue, we did a number of issues, and this is one of the issues that we found a lot of success in, and the reason of that success we were discussing in our meetings was that in this one issue, we had a dedicated national level body which was following up immediately after the show. I think what Alcoholics Anonymous in India has done is an amazing job. Yes, we were the wire media in terms of communication to the country, but when those phone calls came in, someone had to take that phone call. They had to be organized enough to receive all these phone calls. They had to be organized enough to take action, to reach out and help. And that is not a small job with so many phone calls coming in. So I think what you all have done is really amazing. All your volunteers have done is really amazing. And I think, but what was important was that when we are communicating on such a broad level to 1.2 billion people, then our messaging has to be very basic and simple. Otherwise, nothing gets through. So what was first and foremost in not only the issue of alcohol, but on all the other 13 issues, was to get the basics right. We wanted people to get the basics right. And then we can build on it from there. I think that the fact that these wonderful women have traveled from across the world to come to India will be in fact a very big first step in reaching out to women in India who are suffering. I think they will be very encouraged, and I think what you have done is really wonderful. That's really wonderful. And I want the media who's here, to really go out on a limb to report about that. Because there are a lot of women out here in India who are suffering, who need help, and in India the problem is perhaps more complex, because there are so many moralistic issues involved with drinking over here that women would be afraid to even admit openly that they are drinking, let alone step out and ask for help. It's a very difficult thing for them. So the fact that you have come here will give them a lot of strength, will give them a lot of courage, and with the media reporting about that, I think that message will go across that it is a disease, and it is a disease, and even if you're a woman, you are suffering. If you are suffering, then you need to step out, and there is help available for you. And that is what we need to convey to the women of India, and they should not hesitate in taking advantage of this, of the help that is available to them. So we should reinforce that message when I talk to you all just now in a bit. I think my knowledge on alcoholism is certainly nothing near to compare with what you all already know and what you all have spoken about it. I don't think I can add anything more to that. You all have come here from different parts of the world. Even if one woman who reads about this in the papers or on the news channels gets the courage from that, and you help that one moment from a step, that's you've done a wonderful job, and your journey has been fruitful. And I'm sure that you'll in fact help many more women. I'm sure about that. So I think that this is certainly an area where a lot of work remains and needs to be done.